turning on and off the system, what you're going to do is you're going to start with the valve in the inline position where it's open and water's coming out of here. Fire up the pump. That pump's going to draw water, and you're going to have a ton of water coming out of here. You're flushing the membranes. So any dirty water in there is getting cleared out at the very start of the job. You can go ahead and close that. You want to keep an eye on your pressure, make sure that it doesn't shoot up to anything crazy. Once this is all the way left, all the way closed, like that, you'll go back to that regulator, this guy right here on your pump. You'll dial that, you'll twist it to the right, and then as you twist it, this gauge is going to slowly go up, and you're targeting that 125, 130 PSI range. And once you close that and you run in at about 125, 130 PSI, then you're in production. You'll start to very quickly see water coming out that DI port. Now, you are filtering water, you're getting pure water. So at the end, when you shut down the system, open up this valve again, and all that water is going to come out. And this is really important. Every time you do this, you really want to make sure that you do this step 100%. When the pump's already running, and right before you turn it off, open this valve and let the water come out. Keep those membranes in good health. So this was start of the day and end of the day procedures, all based around that valve. This is why we'll give you that hose and you'll go dump that water wherever is convenient for you, the gutter, into the grass, preferably grass or bushes. So don't be alarmed if there's water coming out here. That is intended. This system should be running about 125 PSI.